How's everyone doing today? Just wanted to make a quick video of some new round balls that I bought from Right Balls. These are 5-gram balls, and they have a coating and then a aluminum ball inside. These are 0.684. The reason why I bought these was because on the Blizzards, the Tippmann 98s, the red balls are 0.682 or 0.683, and my barrel is 0.684. So I wanted to try to match a ball, and these were, I bought these on a whim. I didn't think they were going to be matched, but I did measure these with the paintball caliper or measure, whatever you call it, that has all the measurements. Just give me one quick second and I'll grab that. I used this, and it's perfectly 0.684 right here. As you can see, it fits perfectly in there with not much of a gap, and then it doesn't fit on the 0.682 at all. Well, it does, but you have to kind of like push it in there. But it fits perfectly on the 0.684 with no problems. So this ball is perfectly matched for my 0.684 barrel on the Tippmann rifle. So I am going to be testing these out, see if I lose any FPS or what type of results I'll get off of these. And if it works perfectly fine, I'll just buy a whole bunch more of these and just use the red Right balls for target shooting or whatever, plinking around, and these for the real deal. So that's just a quick update for today. I am going to be testing them out later. Again, got these from rightballs.com. They do sell these in a pack of 500 for, I think right now it's on sale for like $300 if I'm not mistaken. I'm not entirely sure. I didn't really check. I just purchased them. So, all right, that's today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.